A heavy snowstorm is hitting the Midwest today, and that severe weather is moving east across Nebraska through Arizona into California. Whiteout conditions wreaking havoc on roadways throughout the country. In the Midwest, the snow and ice's impact taking its toll, causing multiple accidents and collisions. Parts of New England, the Northeast, and Mid-Atlantic states are expected to see snow, sleet, and ice. And then in the South, a tornado blew through northern Alabama last night, killing at least one person and injuring 28 other people.